So today I'm going to be breaking down 3 different factors of the Fa'arapu that has helped me with my speed, my form, and also my stamina. So a motion that has helped me a lot with that up motion is called the Otamu. So I practice this motion, different speeds, forward, back, or opposite, back, forward, back, forward. Also having my feet together, boom, 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 boom. I do not want to have my chest popping. You want to stay nice and isolated, nice and bent, nice and grounded to the floor. So that's what helps me with the form of my Fa'arapu, have that nice bounce look. The speed of my Fa'arapu, what has helped me is the Fa'aruru, the rocking of the knees, just going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then I will rev it up, using the momentum of my knees to go into my Fa'arapu. If I am rocking this pace, boom, 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 go into my Fa'arapu, it goes boom, 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 boom. If I'm rocking it at a super fast speed, my Fa'arapu will be just as fast as my knees are going. Do a 10-second into a 20-second Fa'arapu. 10-second, 20-second Fa'arapu. Do intervals so you could practice the momentum of your knees rocking back and forth at that speed. For the stamina of my Fa'arapu, basically it's repetition, it's being consistent in practices. What I like to do is basically do a 30-second Fa'arapu and then take a break, shake it off, go back right into it. I just want to let you guys know that this is not the way to do it. This is just how I learned and what I've learned over the years that has helped me. So I really hope this helps you guys. If you guys have any more questions, please do let me know down in the comments. And what else you guys would like to learn. Bye.